Hello everyone, good day to you. Welcome back to another video. I wanted to first preface this video by saying that Dan and I embarked on the 100-day video adventure before this whole, global pandemic panned out. And there are worse problems in the world, absolutely. But one of our problems was that so many of those 100 videos that we had planned had to do with travel. Lots of differing content going around, leaving the four walls of our apartment. And now that's not really a possibility for the foreseeable future, at least until the end of March or mid-April. Who knows? We don't know the future. So if you have any ideas for us on what you want to see us film in the next, 100 days, in case this self-isolation continues, please do let us know in the comments down below. But for now, inspired by self-isolation and all of us being stuck inside and wondering what we're gonna do, I figured that the most obvious thing, cleaning our souls of corona and possibilities, and spring is upon us, so why not do a little spring cleaning vlog? So I figured I'd take you through a few of the tasks that we've been putting off for a very long time and show you what we're really doing during this time in our apartment, aside from film. I did film today, so if you're wondering, wow, why are you cleaning with, your hair and makeup done? Guys, I'm filming a review. I have to multitask here, okay? So let's just do that. Let's go clean. Here's a cleaning vlog. Spring cleaning, guys. Let's go, and I inspire all of you to clean your spaces and deep clean to pass this time as well. Okay, let's go over there. Wow, fresh air. Welcome to the patio. Here's a space that you've probably never seen in our apartment, and that's because we've never used it. We've lived here for a year and a half at this point, and the patio has remained vacant or otherwise used as an alternative storage locker. So even before this whole, pandemic went on, one of our goals that we wanted to start in the spring was to set up the patio. So we are actually fully decorating the patio, and we planned that a few weeks ago. You guys will be seeing that in another vlog, but for now, we need to clear it out and clean it before anything is brought into this area, and that is where today's spring cleaning is going to begin. It is filthy. May the frickin' force be with us. So welcome to our fake plant garden. Here are all of the plants that we've been hoarding for the last year in preparation for someday setting up our patio. Miscellaneous planters and things. We've got some spare potting soil for when I feed Fred and George, Dan's spike ball, Meryl's litter, and here's a miscellaneous mop that we have purchased solely for cleaning this patio. And I will say that I consulted no professionals before embarking on this patio cleaning journey. I don't know how to clean it. We asked the concierge if we are allowed to use this drain somewhere. We have there it is, the drain, to clean it. So I'm just gonna pour water around and mop it and hope for the best. Oh, hello, fake Fred. Okay, now let's try mopping. Wow, who knew that brown could exist under all of these layers of dust? Maybe we should do it with these closed. Alright guys, it's time to try mopping. I'm scared, but I also think maybe because of corona, less people are outside just in case water spills. Oh shit, it's turning it green. Dinner break. Okay, Meryl, it's time to clean your dwelling. Yeah. Okay, so next up on this little cleaning areas we don't normally clean is Meryl's dwelling. And for those of you who saw my living room tour, we have two shelves here behind the couch. After we had this set up, we noticed that Meryl was just like loving to hide. Oh, there she goes. Can you see her? Meryl. Wow. Meryl's like a very, very scared cat. She's scared of all loud noises, most movement, people, things, anything. And we noticed that she was really just hiding back here. She loved to hide in the shelves and hide in the little space back there. So we just put a few like pillows and blankets back there for her to cuddle in, and it's where she sleeps most of the time. And it's been since October. that we've had that little dwelling with lots of catnip too. Some treats, and yeah, I need to clean it. Let's show you the dwelling. I bring you Meryl's dwelling. Yeah, you like it down there, don't you? It's her happy place. This is what we do for her in her dwelling. Meryl. Oh, you know it's coming. And we just give her some treats. She also has a little home underneath the table. This is her bed, and this is where she normally sleeps, and it's really cute. She would always hide under the table, and so we just put her bed under there because she loved it so much. This is just turning into a little Meryl house tour, but yeah, gotta clean it. So I think I'm gonna put her bed down here, and then I'll wash the YouTube blankets and lay those out as well. But I think I'm gonna retire the pillows from back here because upon further reflection, I feel like that's pretty dirty of us. So we'll ditch the pillows, keep the blankets once they're washed. All right, so while Meryl's dwelling is being washed, other things that I'm going to clean tonight are scrubbing the toilet, Windexing the mirror, vacuuming under the bed, scrubbing the shower, dusting the shelves, cleaning the vents. Oh. Oh. Take down those curtains you've been meaning to wash. And wash them. And when you're all done, don't forget to wash yourself. Well, guys, that was a wild ride. I feel like I'm gonna have to do part 2 on the patio tomorrow before the furniture actually gets here. It could use another scrub, but also it was so fun scrubbing that and seeing it get clean. It was very, very oddly satisfying. And then I realized just how many things I actually needed to deep clean, and even when we were filming like the funny clips in this, I was like, oh, there's so much more I need to clean in this apartment. It's crazy. It's like, how do 2 people create this much dust? But you know, I know that the world is a very scary place right now. Everyone's lives have been turned upside down, some more severe than others, and I just truly cannot even wrap my head around what is happening in the world right now. It is crazy. For those of you who are being sent home, for those of you who are quarantined, I can't believe that word's even being used so loosely, but those of you who are self-isolating and staying home and staying indoors and staying safe and stopping the spread of this virus, you know, take this as the time to clean up your life, organize your life, do all these deep cleans inside and outside that you otherwise maybe feel like life is too busy for you to do. I mean, Dan and I, our work, YouTube, what we do, we spend so much time inside anyway. Like, I mean, other than the fact that our gyms and studios are closed, we're pretty much living the same life that we normally would, but there's just this weird feeling, like that weird trapped feeling. And we're trying to, instead of feeling trapped and like locked inside, we're trying to embrace the fact that you've kind of just been handed so much time to do things that you otherwise wouldn't have time to do. Like, sit and watch Netflix, baby. Sit and play Pokemon. Clean your house, read a book, write some music, I don't know. All of the things that you can do for yourself that you wouldn't normally otherwise have time for, this is the time to do it. I know that people are still working. I know that people are in dire situations. I understand that. But if you're looking for entertainment, if you're in this situation, you know, take the time to pause and chill and clean up your life, fam, and clean your hands and clean your body and your house. So that's it for me today, guys. I hope you enjoyed this little vlog. Gave you a sneak peek into my little cleaning moment that we had today. And if you have any other things you want to see us create during these 100 days and during this time of, I hate the word isolation, I hate saying isolation, this time indoors, the time at home, in lieu of all our other plans that we had with travel. What do you guys want to see from us? Our world is your oyster. Let us know in the comments down below. Have a beautiful night, guys. I'll see you all tomorrow. I love you all. Bye!